how to add plugins in Aternos server. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open Aternos right here. And then once you are now on this page, once you have clicked your server, the next thing that we need to do is to make sure that our server is offline right here. Now, once you turn it off, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see software. And then what we're going to do is to change it into either paper bucket or spigot bucket, but I will just paper bucket. And then what we're going to do is to choose the version that we want to use. So I will just use this for example. And then after that, I'm going to click install, and then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is finished, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the left screen and then click this plugins. And then once you click plugins, you will see a bunch of plugins that you can install in your Minecraft server. But I will just use this as an example. And then once you click that, just choose the version of the Essentials X that you want to download. So let's say, for example, that you want to use this. So just click this one right here. And then once it is downloaded, the next thing that we need to do is to go back on our server and then click this start button so that our server will now be online. And then once you do that, just open your Minecraft and then check if the plugin has worked on your game. And then click yes, I accept. And then once you do that, that is basically it. That is how to add plugins in Aternos server.